You've done it. You've decided to start asking your customers questions in a dialogue fashion, but guess what? You made a mistake. Now what do? You got people who are a little upset at you, and you're trying this new method and you still haven't really gotten it worked out, and you really don't know what to do. Hey, we've all been there. But guess what? This is actually an opportunity to deepen the relationship with your customers. How do you do that? By standing up and saying, guess what? We made a mistake. We want to make things better, and we want to repair the damage we've done. How can we do this? Well, there's several ways you can do it. If it was really bad and people got really upset, that's okay. First of all, admit that you made the mistake and then reach out to them personally if you can. The more personal you make it, and with a genuine attempt to try to repair the relationship, most people are really forgiving. We're all human after all, right? We've all made mistakes. So most people are really good. If it's, not too bad, you've heard some rumblings, people aren't too happy, send out an email or perhaps record a little video. Again, own up to your mistake and genuinely try to repair the relationship in whatever way suits your business best. If that means a discount, great. If that means just doing something else, then that's wonderful too, whatever it is for your business. Remember, your customers are the heart of your business, and you want to do whatever you can to repair those relationships if you damage them. This is also a great time to let your customers know that you're going to continue to do this and to give you feedback when you do misstep. Any dialogue, any conversation takes a little while to get going, and it's no different here. You're practicing, you're learning, and so are they. So take the opportunity, if you misstep, to use it to deepen the relationship you have with them now.